Welcome everyone to the Taglog YouTube channel. For this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to recover TikTok Lite password. Now to begin the process, what you need to do is tap upon the TikTok Lite application first. Now once you're at the home page, you need to tap on me on the bottom right corner, tap that. There you need to tap on sign up, tap that sign up button and click on already have an account login on the very bottom of the page. You tap on login. On the login page, you tap on the very first option, that is use username, mobile number, email. Tap that. Here you go to the email section and there you need to tap on forgot password for the recovery process to begin. For the recovery process, there's two ways that you can recover your TikTok Lite account password. That is either by your phone or by email. We're going to go with the email process for this video, so tap on email. Now for the email process, first of all type in the email address of yours of your TikTok Lite account. Then tap on send code. Now TikTok has sent a code to the email address of yours to that Gmail account. You need to go and check your mail. There's the TikTok password on the top. Now you need to type in this code over here to the text box on TikTok. Once you type in the code, you will be directed to this page over here where you will be able to provide a new password for your TikTok Lite. Now you just need to type in the new password over here and then tap on reset. This way you have been logged in into the account of yours. So this is how you can recover your TikTok Lite password through the email process. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.